All right. So most of the sales reps they run ads, but they don't add the inventory to the ads. So with our system, you're able to add your inventory. To give you a few examples, so you would have your video ad over here, and underneath the video ad, it will show the vehicles you have in stock, and then of course you can edit, learn more, get codes and such. Cars under 30K. You can edit all such things. The whole point is you can add cars when you make the videos. That way, the conversion rate is higher, and you get more leads for the ads that you're running. And to do this, um, you would have access to your account. So you have your catalog that we give you access to that you can run Facebook ads on. You also get Facebook Marketplace automation and reply system. Thank you.